Garmin gave us the GPSMAP 66i to assist us in our attempt to set a record for the 9 Peaks Challenge. A key feature of the 66i is InReach. This allows us to have two-way messaging via satellite, so we are always able to get in touch even when there is no signal. It pretty much eliminates the need for a satellite phone, because it kinda is one. Right off the bat, what I love about the 66i is the big display and that it is in color. I greatly appreciate that there are dedicated buttons for each function and that they are well spaced enough to use with gloves. The cost to all these spacious benefits is that the device is big and weighs 241 grams. Ultralight hikers will probably consider that heavy, but for an unassisted hike across the country, it's weight I'm willing to carry. I'm so thankful to have received such a great navigation device. I'm off to the Drakensberg to play with it and put it to use. On the trail learning, there's really no better way. These are my first impressions of the Garmin GPSMAP 66i. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Mayday, mayday! Mayday, mayday! We need some assistance! Help! Help! SOS! SOS! Don't push the SOS button, okay? It's not for playing.